The internet is not safe. It's not like it was ever a land of sunshine and rainbows, but it's getting worse. AI-powered scams, brand new malware, and ever-growing data markets on the dark corners of the internet. It's time we properly talk about cybersecurity. What is it? What are the newest threats? And how can you protect yourself? Before we get into it though, please subscribe to the channel. Help me reach that 2K subscriber mark. Much appreciated. So, cybersecurity. What is it? In simple terms, it's online safety. It covers everything from various technologies and organizations to security tools and practices that can keep you safe online. At this point, some cybersecurity habits are second nature to most of us. Don't click on the suspicious links, don't download random files, and keep your personal details well under wraps. But what about new and improved cybersecurity threats? 2024 comes with a whole new batch of goodies. Techniques. The most concerning development is the use of AI. What, you thought artificial intelligence is going to stop at generating cat pictures and writing your essays? Just like it can write an assignment for you, it can also come up with much more sophisticated malware, or let's say, 5 convincing phishing examples, if you know how to get around it. Looks like phishing emails are finally going to have proper grammar. At the same time, they'll become much more convincing. And that's kind of the main point, and it goes even further. Threat actors can now take advantage of your face and even your voice. Blend those two together and you have yourself a very real-looking deepfake video. Do you realize how easy it is to find samples for this kind of scam? Social media is a jackpot, an absolute goldmine for scammers. Now, I don't recommend suddenly disappearing off the internet to keep yourself safe, but there are several online safety tips that will help you recognize AI-powered fraud. For example, to spot AI-generated text, look for things like repetitive language, cliché phrases, unnatural word choices, and so on. To spot AI images or fake videos, inconsistencies are dead giveaways. Artifacts like odd lines or misplaced shapes, weird backgrounds, asymmetry. Plus, you can always run an image through an AI detector. That said, recognizing a deepfake won't always save you. It could be working silently behind the scenes. Doing what exactly? Bypassing your biometric authentication. The fact that facial recognition systems can be easily fooled isn't new. There we go. But with a well-crafted deepfake, it's easier than ever. Besides, you might not even notice it. A successful attempt can be recorded and replayed later. Your fingerprints aren't the answer either. The tape trick and silicon replicas that you see in every single cop TV show, yeah, that's all very real. Since the rise of fingerprint scanners on phones and PCs, it's only getting more common. For now, my advice is to explore other 2FA methods such as SMS messages or dedicated authenticator apps. These add an extra layer of security that's much harder to bypass. Unless your device falls into the wrong hands. If that's ever the case, there's still something you can do. Both Android and iOS have Find My Device pages online that let you secure and even remotely delete all content from your device. Otherwise, you're probably facing account takeovers or a data breach. But why are the threat actors so interested in our data? Well, did you know your Netflix account can be worth anywhere from $1 to $3? Meanwhile, your complete medical record can cost up to $1,000. I guess that sort of explains why hundreds and hundreds of healthcare organizations have breaches all over the world. It's not just your medical data at risk either. Schools, universities, and all kinds of companies are reporting breaches left, right, and center. There are plenty of different ways a data breach can happen, and it's not just the organization databases we have to worry about, it's the safety of our own devices as well. There's plenty of malware designed with the purpose of stealing as much data as possible, and most of the time, you won't notice it until it's too late. So in this case, you need a proactive approach. Good news! There's a myriad of security tools at your disposal. You can start from a simple ad blocker, which should not only get rid of annoying ads, but malicious ones as well. Generally though, when we talk about cybersecurity and online safety, there is a holy trinity of security tools: a password manager, an antivirus, and a VPN. It's kind of self-explanatory, but a password manager is a tool to safely store your logins. These usually come with strong password generators that will replace your usual admin123. And since strong passwords can get very complicated, there's autofill to remember all of it for you. In the end, you only ever need to know the master password of your password manager vault. If you want my advice, 1Password, NordPass, and Bitwarden are the most popular options right now, all still with 0 data breaches to this day. Not only that, most of them have data breaches breach scanners that let you know if your data is ever at risk. Okay, sure, you can keep relying on your memory for passwords, but unless you're a pro hacker, I doubt you'll DIY your way out of malware. This is a whole other beast, and in this case, the answer is getting reliable antivirus software. This way, even if you click on that link to get a free iPhone, the antivirus will stop the free malware you just got instead. You can start with antiviruses that are already installed on your device, like Windows Defender. Just keep in mind that it provides very basic protection. That's why I recommend looking into premium providers. Picks like Bitdefender or Norton are the most popular these days, with top-tier protection levels. That said, an antivirus won't do much to protect you online, and this is where a VPN comes in. It adds a layer of security by changing your IP and encrypting your traffic. It hides your data from your ISP, the government, or even a curious threat actor that might be lurking on public Wi-Fi. Honestly, who isn't after your data these days? If you want my recommendations, try some popular picks like NordVPN or Surfshark. I got those covered on the channel. Whatever VPN you do choose though, make sure to pick one with a no logs policy and reliable security practices. Now, if you were to buy all three security tools, online safety is getting really expensive really fast. Plus, some antivirus interferes with VPN connections, which then requires some settings tweaking and messing around, and it can get complicated pretty fast. That's why bundles have become so popular these days. For example, the current top VPN for PC provider NordVPN has a feature integrated into its app that blocks ads and also works similarly to an antivirus, scanning your downloaded files for malware. Similarly, Surfshark's One plan includes a full antivirus alongside their VPN with some additional tools like alternative ID generator. If you want to check these out, I left links in the description along with their current biggest discount deals. Lastly, I'm not saying these tools are 100% foolproof. A big part of your online safety stands on your shoulders. So stay cautious about suspicious links, attachments, and online offers. Keep your software updated, back up important files, and be careful about what you share online. You know, the usual. On top of that, don't forget to like this video and share with others what cybersecurity tools you like to use. Maybe you have some malware horror stories. I'll see you in the comments.